I will briefly explain the individual elements of the homepage. At the beginning, we see a simple header consisting of a logo identifying the brand or company placed in the top left corner. The navigation elements, menu, are located on the right side. It contains links to individual pages as well as an action button, which in this case allows direct phone contact with the company. The homepage starts with a catchy headline and the welcome section with a clear message. Then, the user is guided through various sections with special emphasis on the one presenting the offer, different types of therapy. At the end, there is the previously mentioned call to action section and the footer. The use of colorful illustrations and photos makes the site visually attractive and evokes positive emotions. A blue background section consisting of two parts. On the left side, a large, attention-grabbing text with a short description and a button that, when clicked, takes us to the About Us page. On the right side, an eye-catching illustration showing a person and their emotions. The "You are in the right place" section contains text describing the services included or the mission of the site. Photos. Next to the text are pictures of people, probably the team or satisfied clients, which builds trust and credibility. This is a teaser of what we will find on the About Me page. Below is a section with 4 colorful tiles. Each tile contains an illustration and the caption suggesting different types of therapies or services. I believe we will use the item banner box available in BeBuilder here, so the offer is as visually attractive as possible, and I assure you it allows that. Below is a wrap that is noticeably narrower than the grid we selected. This is meant to improve readability, aesthetics, and overall user experience, making the text easier to read. This section or wrap allows us to add information about therapies that might be common to them. This section aims to present the site's author or theme and clearly references the About Me page. The last section is filled with a photo related to the site's theme. This is one of the most important sections because it appears on almost every subpage and directs the user to the most important place from the therapist's point of view, the contact page. There will be a contact form on that page. Therefore, it's worth preparing this section as attractively as possible. I would use the banner box element here, which, as I mentioned before, is visually appealing and importantly allows showing or hiding call to action elements, in this case a button. It will need to be placed in a full width section without unnecessary margins on the sides and bottom. At the very bottom, we see the footer. It contains standard elements such as copyright, links to social media, and centrally positioned, we repeat the site logo to emphasize its identity.